Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Turtle Rock. Our backyard on a beautiful Sunday, a beautifully trafficked Sunday. Everyone's heading out to the lake. It's about 90 degrees already this morning, so it's going to be a hot one. But we are back on the Ducati Streetfighter, the first time since last week. Last week we did Angeles Crest Highway. Wow, what an amazing ride. But today I'm going to take you back to my backyard and give you guys a little ride, give you guys a little update. Yesterday I did a little ride and was on the BMW HP2 Sport and headed over to EuroCycles. I think by the time you guys see this video, the cat will be out of the bag. I bought a brand new 2019 Aprilia Tuono 1100 Factory from EuroCycles. Big Zach over there. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for making it happen. I bought the bike. I bought it for Bogna for her birthday. So what do you guys know? I hope she is going to enjoy the bike. If not, well, I'll enjoy it for her. So we went out to EuroCycles yesterday and chopped it up with Zach and dealt with the deal. Got it all squared away. The bike is a leftover bike down in Vegas, so they're actually taking it up to Reno on Wednesday, and Wednesday actually we're heading up to Reno with the Ducati Streetfighter, and I believe you guys are seeing this the day after. So that's why I can let the cat out of the bag, because I'm sure there'll be some Instagram and some story time on the YouTube about the Tuono. So the cat's out of the bag. We now have another bike in the collection, yet another hyper naked. And here's the decision on why I bought the thing. And hopefully we'll be able to get into this and bring you guys some great content. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Destroy that like button for me, you guys. I really need more likes than you guys know. And if you guys are familiar with the channel, hit that bell notification. That way, anytime we have new Tuono and Street Fighter content, you guys will be notified. So, getting on this thing back in my backyard, whew, guys, I absolutely love this bike. I absolutely love it. Such a different bike than anything I've ever ridden. And last night I watched a motorcycle news shootout again. I watched it, I think they came out last week. And I watched it, but I really didn't pay attention to it. And, you know, they named, again for like the third year, the Tuono Factory, the #1 hyper naked out. Like way over this. Like this was third place. And one of the things he said on this, which was, I guess I'll agree with a little bit, is that this thing demands to be ridden. And I'll tell you, he's absolutely right. You know, when I'm on this thing and I'm tootling, it's all right. But when I get out here and just start ripping it up for you guys, the thing just plants down, it hunkers down, and handles amazing. So I really can't wait to get on the Aprilia. Sheriff officer, by the way, got pulled over by CHP yesterday on the HP2 Sport, but got off. Nice officer. But I'm really interested to get onto the Tuono, because this thing is just, you guys have all been talking about it, and you guys really have told me, look, we need to get on this bike. And I'll tell you, I've been on the bike a couple times. In fact, Bogna was balls over a RSV4 factory. And we did an Aprilia day like 2 years ago. And I was like, you know, I told her, I was like, oh, I don't know. I'm not really, I don't know. And we rode it, and we're just like, got that out of our system. Now, I think Bogna, now that was an RSV4. Now Bogna has ridden the 18 Tuono, I think. She did a review on it. And of course, I did one just recently, and at EuroCycle Sonoma. And I don't know, I really just didn't get into that thing. And I watched the motorcycle news shootout, and I was like, you know, I gotta get to this thing, and I gotta ride this thing. I mean, I gotta ride this thing. And I got such an amazing deal. If you guys haven't visited EuroCycles, I'm gonna link them down below, because you guys, they have incredible deals right now. Incredible deals. I mean, you're not gonna get a bike cheaper than at EuroCycles. And they have locations in Sonoma, so they service California, and Reno and Nevada. If you guys are in the Las Vegas area, of course that's their big flagship store. But their Reno store is ginormous. And so we'll be back up there on Shift. We'll be back up there on Wednesday to pick up the Tuono and to get some stuff done on this thing. So again, hit the subscribe button, you guys, and ring that bell notification, because it's about to get fun around here. And you know, I'm gonna take you guys out to my dirt pile. I'm gonna bring you back, because I got a little bit more to talk about. And so, it's crazy, I caught up with this Mustang. I passed this Mustang back some time ago, and here he is again. But, so the Ducati Streetfighter, I haven't had many videos up because of a couple reasons. Last week, I was down in LA all week, and I was working down there. So I was trucked and trailered, and I took my camera down there, but I don't know. You guys, are you guys into like the you know, me personal stuff? A couple of you guys ask about it, but I don't know. I don't think my life's not super exciting. I repair medical equipment, right? So I don't know. But let's turn around here and let's head back to Turtle Rock with you guys, and let's get this done before anybody comes and ruins our day. But I was able to shoot a couple videos up in San Diego, a couple videos heading in the San Diego area, and then we did a couple videos up Angeles Crest when I was on the Ducati. And what a great group of guys, the DROC, the DROC group in Orange County, Ducati Riders of Orange County. Such amazing hospitality to bring a fellow Ducatier under their wings and show you guys what's up, because it was a great ride. I had just an absolute blast. We want to get down there more often, and actually, in fact, we're going to be back down there in a couple weeks. And he's going to let me by, so thank you. Super thank you. Maybe he's a subscriber. Let's see. So I haven't done much to this, and there's some stuff that we're going to be doing to the bike, and I was going to do the install myself, but I just all right, where was I? I was gonna do some of these parts by myself, but I thought, you know, it's very hard to do DIYs for you guys by myself, especially on longer jobs that take a little while. because I can't really film and do everything at once, so it's nice to be able to have somebody do it. So we're going to bring you guys some DIY stuff on the bike with Ducati EuroCycle Reno. Alam is going to be taking care of us with a few modification installs, so stay tuned for those. Again, we've got the RSV, or excuse me, I always want to call it an RSV Tuono, but it's not. The Tuono Factory, we've got some parts. I actually ordered parts this morning for the bike, and I think we're just going to do some basic modifications right now. The 5 basics that I always talk about: levers, radiator guards, of course exhaust, tidy tail, and I have been looking for some rear sets, so let's see what we can get out of that. But those are coming. Exhaust is of course going to be from Aero. Huge shout out to Aero. I love you guys' product. This is not a paid advertisement for them because I buy everything, you guys. None of these companies give me anything. I tell you guys what I love and products that I use that I've had great experience with in the past, and I hope you guys do in the future. So that's why I want to give you the information that I give you. So heading up here, I wanted to get up here a little bit early. It's about, I think it's about 10 o'clock in the morning. I wanted to try to miss the traffic because I knew it was going to be a boat day up here at the lake, and so I actually wanted to go. I wanted to go over to the bridge, but just the traffic already, and I was gonna come earlier. I actually thought of contemplating at 7:30 leaving the house. Bogna's doing her horsey thing today. She's down at Ramona's still, and she'll be home later today, so I know she's bummed out. But babe, I love you. Happy early birthday. And here she's been asking me what I want for my birthday. I buy her a new Aprilia. Whew. Take it down, take a little breather for a second. So the exhaust on this has been burning my boot. It's actually pretty funny. There's like some burn on the exit of the exhaust, but this thing has got some verbals when you're on it, man. This morning when I was just railing on this thing, the verbs just sounded so good. So got another idiot cager. It's not that hard to drive. I'm just sitting here behind you. Jeez. Get past him in a second. Continue our ride back up to Turtle Rock. So I took off the stomp grips off this thing. Bang! Bang, bang! Ducati had a little... I bet Ducati had a little jet fuel for breakfast this morning. So anyway, sorry. So back to my stomp grips. I took them off when Eddie painted this thing. I wanted the paint to cure a little bit before we put the new ones on. God, what a difference those stomp grips made. And a lot of people, there's a lot of rumors out there about stomp grips and that they destroy your leathers. Well, I'll tell you this. They don't destroy your leathers. Do they put a little wear on it? I'll go for that. But honestly, the stick that they give you over like the tech spec, I think it's called tech spec grips, is just so much different, so much more better. So I love stomp grips. I've got stomp grips on everything we own, and it definitely won't change. So we've got a new set coming for the Street Fighter. So if you guys have seen or have been interested in what tank grips we use, Wagner just got, she's actually switching from the tech specs over to the stomp grips. She just got the new Super Volcanoes for her S1000R, and I'll probably order a set of them for the Tuono and this. So, whew. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Someday I'm gonna have to measure the distance out there and back, because I know usually it's about 8 or 9 minutes. Out there. So I think this video is going to be probably about 15 minutes long. We'll head over here, give you guys a quick little outro, give you a quick little walk around of this beautiful... Guys, I tell you, I'm so in love, absolutely in love with this bike. I can't even tell you guys. Oh, by the way, this is the quad lock system. I got it because when we were in LA, we were trying to use some maps and it didn't work. And of course, I don't have the phone on there because it's in my pocket. This is plugged into my noise canceling headphones, but there it is. Beautiful. Carbon fiber wings, carbon fiber nose. Look at this work, just the exhaust. I can't even tell you guys. So I've got some bits coming from here, some bits coming for the back end. We got new tires coming because these are pretty much gone. Something over here is happening. Something over here is happening. So we've got some stuff going, but thank you guys for coming along again where we started, Turtle Rock here in Lake Berryessa. And what a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. And I guess we'll see you guys next time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. If you guys aren't new to the channel, make sure you hit that bell notification and likes. We love the likes. Make sure you guys like this video and stay tuned because the Tuono video is going to be next. So we'll see you guys in 2 days. Bye, guys.